You are welcome to EZYZTR channel. Thank you for always watching our video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everything, for liking our videos. Thank you very much. If you're new, watching a new, come on our channel, subscribe and share. Like it so I can get you more videos on how to make money online. In this video, we are looking at how to make money online from Nigeria in 2023 and beyond. So, how do you make money in Nigeria? Most of us are making money through affiliate marketing, through cryptocurrency, through buying shares. So in this video, we are looking at how we can buy share. How you can buy share from Google account. You can buy share from Amazon. You can make money from buying shares in Facebook and several other multi-billion companies. So but the first thing you need to do is you have to open a brokerage account. So in this video, we are focusing on how to open a brokerage account. So I'm going to do more videos on how to fund the account, how to buy the shares, and many more videos on making money online. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe now. I give you 1 second to subscribe. Okay. So the first method or the first step is to open a brokerage account. And among the leading brokerage account for my research, though this is not a financial advice, but for my research, among the top leading brokerage account, the first I would recommend for me to use is Trove. This is Trove. I can see my screen here. Trove is basically a brokerage platform where you can buy and sell shares of different companies. Investing simplify. Own a piece of the world's leading public companies. Invest in stock, ADRs and ETFs with fractional shares and commission-free investing on US. You can buy, for this channel, I want to break them down small to some of us, most time I want to make it a simple way. You can buy share while in Nigeria. You buy it, you can buy share from China, from US, from Nigeria. And in this, you don't need to open a dollar account. You don't need to open dollar account. The thing you need for here be say you need to open this brokerage account. When I don't open this brokerage account, the next thing you can fund it. I will show us how to fund it. So let's move on. We'll continue because here we break them down small so that everybody go feel sabi what they talk, because many people they broke grammar. For here we make them small. So the thing we need now to get the app from Play Store. As you don't check through the website now to go to the Play Store. So we'll go to Play Store and download the app. So this is our Play Store. Click on Play Store and go and search for Trove. Type Trove. This is it, Trove. Once you don't get the Trove app, open the app. Once you don't open the app, the next thing is to put the email address where you want to take open this account. Put the email address where you want to take open this account. In this email address, I put them. Then tap on continue. Tap on continue. You can see that let me say email already used because I have an account. I want to show us example of this video. So I'm going to use another email to do this account. Now continue. Make sure it's a new email. Then the next step, we'll put phone number. Put the phone number. Put phone number. So put the phone number, cross check it and make sure it's correct. So the phone number is correct. Then put your password. The next step is to put password. Put the password you want to use for this account. Put the password then and let's move. So as I don't put the password now, okay, let me cross check the password again. I need to cross check the password. So the password need to contain character and it's supposed to contain number and character. Now you go put for the password. The next thing you go select your country, which will be Nigeria, and Nigeria will day. So we select Nigeria. Would they go to check where Nigeria day for here? Okay, see Nigeria for here. So the next step, we'll tap on this, continue again. Continue. Okay, phone number already used. Yes, so I go use my other phone number. Okay. Now, referral code. Now here now you go. They important make you use referral code. I they put referral code of my account in this video. So if you use referral code, they get $50. You are getting $50. I to the referral, I'm getting $50. So the referral code is what we are going to use in this particular account. I will put the referral code for this account, and I'm going to put the referral code in the comment section. If you never get them, check the comment section. You go see them for there and use them to refer. Nobody this one. What I put here now, you go use. So I'm putting the one we are going to use in that comment section. So the next thing is tap on apply referral gift. After we don't put apply referral gift, they go send OTP to your email. You see OTP, you're gonna go to the email and copy the OTP and the time they count. So that's the next step. You go to the email, get the OTP. We are going to get the OTP from the email. We are using the email that I use. So you're gonna go get the email OTP. Get the OTP and now go back to the Trove and paste it. Paste the OTP here and click authorize device. Authorize device. So basically this is it. The next step now you need to do is to create a trading experience. If you don't want to do that, you can do that later. If you want to go on, click on do that later. So this is the account. You have opened a brokerage account. This is a brokerage account. Don't open them. So you can see. Let's just check out. See portfolio. See, and before you start trading. For example, let's try. That we never do our KYC. We just open the account. This is what I want to do in this video. I don't want it to be long. So watch the next video on how to do all the verifications. I've even done a video on that already. I can also place it in the description on how to continue with the KYC and every other thing. Then so that you can easily trade. You can chat them if you need anything. So this is the portfolio. Basically, this is how it looks like. This is it. This is the balance. If you want to get started, you want to fund the account, is from here. Let me see. For a fund account, you need to complete your profile. I've done video on that, so you can check out the video. I also do another one on that, also on this, how to complete your profile. So this is basically how to create a brokerage account in Nigeria. So thank you for watching. Let me know your ideas from the comment type. What next do you want me to do? Is it for me to do a video on how to finish the profile and start trading, or should I do a video on another brokerage account? But this is the one I'm using. I can also do video on that one. So let me know your thought from the comment section. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for subscribing. Love you all. Love you guys.